Hi everybody, sanibonani. Welcome to Raising Sipho. So today I want to sort of redo our morning routine video. I think one because the other one people felt like the music was too high, they couldn't hear what I was saying. But actually it's not really important what I was saying because we're trying to show what we do to take care of her, so it wasn't that important, but I'll do it again anyway. But number two, her father is here, so I want to show how things are different when he's around and how he helps out with the routine. And also I want to show that also, even though we do call them routines, you are not obligated to do your routines exactly the same way every day. You do what works for you and your child and your family at that time, because taking care of a special needs child is about taking it one day at a time, one step at a time. So if you are feeling that that day you want to do part-time later on in a day because you're not feeling okay to do it first thing in the morning, that's what you need to do. If you feel like you want to do it first thing in the morning, that's what you need to do. Whatever works for your child. So you will see how things are going to be a little bit different today than how we did it on the last video. Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So right now I just checked on her. She was awake, but it looks like she could do with like more sleep. Like when you're awake but you're not ready to get out of bed, she looks like that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll take a bath myself first, and I'm sure when I'm done with that she'll be ready to wake up, and then we can start our day with her like that. So yeah, if you're a mom out there and you have tips on how to do things better, or you have questions, whatever it is, or you want to show us how you do it, you can send me a clip and I can post it on my channel, or you can open your own channel and show us how you do it and we can learn together. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you right now. I can hear her making some noises now. She is waking up, so let me just rush and take a bath so that we can move on with the day. Hmm? Well, okay, let me open and then we see where mbeka esihlalweni. Sigeza kuqala namhlanje, sigeza kuqala namhlanje. Alright. You disturb the camera. You disturb by camera. Ubonile that vlog ukuthi ngenze umusic waba too loud on it. But besangincane ukuphinda nge-edit, I'm like, we'll do it another time. It's too much work to put the clips together. Too much work. I don't need the photo of the pink. Because it's too loud.
Sipho.
Can I?
Let's go.
Bueno, la tenemos bien la fea. Hey, come smaller.
How old are you?
Also smaller, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hey, bo. Stuff, ma'am. When you come that way, this way, Sipho said, are you ready? Are you ready for your favorite part of the day? Of the day? Yeah. Assemble Palsy. Selisasendile manje noma nganyakanga akusekho that Kodwa baba sizokunda today. Esibona mayigunda wena iyaba nephakathi amakhopo indlela abasebenzisa ngayo umshini kuno Avela. Nami leyo nto engimangaza ukuthi awukhamba. Ayikho isikwenze. Ngingayifaki amahlweni wami. Good. Hayi bosi bogodola ngakashisa kanjena ngathi. Asigodola kodwa ngashisa. Angingazeni. Brush, I take. Let's something a little toothpaste here. It flavor that's good.
Even?
Because I sometimes the toothpaste that flavor like toothpaste. I think I'm irritated and then I put my knife for fish.
Flavor.
I'm gonna let it stay in.
Oh.
I think it will be better because sorry, no. We are done. Ngisela amathawula phela. Leli phezulu limayendlela ukuthi mayihlala linomboza nekhanda. Hey, Sipho, we're done, Mama.
Did
Hayi, kodwa ikhaba lokudola bakho. 8.
kodwa ngathi abada la manzi.
Hayi bawom, phela sisishisa kakhulu. Yes, Bob. Sipho. Oops, we did it again. You ready for the day? Ngempela, what are you gonna do today?
Up.
Sigqoke izolo Sipho. Mangathi kodwa. Kuyashisa ngazi nami kodwa unokungibazela engathi. She's feeling cold. Look Bob, naye. Wayethole ulona. Umngane wakhe lo wasematata. Ematata ulona. Wayethole umenzi. Sipho. Okay, time to have breakfast. We're done. The morning routine is done. Take 5. How Sipho? Take 5. Not interested. Take 5. Take 5. Take 5. Why are you doing me like this? Eh?